After you've chosen your email platform, you'll want to do a thorough setup process. Please don't get email happy until you have done these things. First of all, watch the tutorials that your email platform provides. I know this is like someone telling you to read the product manual, but honestly, you could learn a lot from a few minutes of watching those video tutorials. Then you're going to enter all the business information. Believe it or not, missing business information can turn into a really big deal and even contribute to your account getting blacklisted or shut down. Why? Because receiving email accounts are programmed to look for suspicious or spammy emails, which they will promptly put in the person's spam folder or even block altogether. Your information is needed to make sure your business seems legitimate to your audiences and that receiving email account. Connect your platform to your website or your CRM so you can pull email leads into your lists automatically. And then make sure you also create 2 or 3 standard email templates. These templates should reflect your brand. They can be used for different types of communication purposes. I actually have a few template examples that you'll see later in this course. Most email platforms have good starter templates that you can work from, or Canva is also a good place to find email templates and examples, but just keep in mind that if you design an email in a platform like Canva outside of your email platform, just keep in mind you're going to have to keep updating it outside of your email platform, downloading it and getting it into the email, which can actually become a lot of work. Finally, you're going to want to get a welcome email automated for every audience list that you have set up. If you just have one list building for now, then great, you just have to set up one email. Okay, now let's talk about how to set up a great welcome email.